Welcome to Clear State, your sanctuary for guided meditations that help you embrace abundance and positivity in every area of your life. To truly invite prosperity and calm into your life, take a moment to settle into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. As you relax, softly repeat this affirmation: I am ready to receive abundance in every aspect of my life. Take another deep breath in, feeling your chest rise and your body fill with air. As you exhale, let go of any doubts or fears. Now, visualize a radiant golden white light streaming down from above, surrounding you with a warm, uplifting energy. This light is filled with love, abundance, and prosperity. With each breath, feel this light wrapping around you, filling you with the universe's blessings. As you breathe in, imagine this light entering your body, growing stronger with each inhalation and expanding your ability to receive all the good life has to offer. As you exhale, release any limiting beliefs or negative thoughts into the light, transforming them into pure energy. Continue breathing deeply and affirm, I am open to receiving all the abundance that the universe has for me. I attract prosperity effortlessly into my life. I am worthy of love, joy, and success. Abundance flows to me in unexpected and delightful ways. As the golden white light continues to envelop you, focus on areas of your life where you wish to invite more abundance. Visualize this light expanding in those areas, bringing opportunities and blessings. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center. See the golden white light radiating from your heart, spreading waves of love and abundance throughout your entire being. Affirm, my heart is open to receiving all that I desire. I trust in the universe to provide for me. I embrace the flow of abundance in my life. Take a final deep breath, feeling fully immersed in this radiant golden white light. As you exhale, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of abundance and readiness with you throughout your day. Remember, you can return to this visualization and these affirmations whenever you want to invite more abundance into your life. Thank you for joining us in this meditation. If you enjoyed this experience, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Clear State for more empowering techniques to help you unlock your full potential and live your best life.